Good morning, everybody. How's your day today? Like, really, how's your day today? Because on my day this morning, right now, it's doing well. That's all I have to say. It's doing well. I have nothing to do, so I'm just going to show you some nature things out here, outside. Okay. So, guys, I am waiting for my father to come home. So, I'm just waiting. Yep, just waiting. Just waiting for my father. Yeah. So, yeah, I have nothing to do at all today. Nothing at all. today because, well, the thing is, my dad works through all the way to like, he gets up and then he goes to work until like 6 o'clock or 6:30. That's when he gets home from work. PM, 6 o'clock, 6:30 PM. That's when he gets home. So usually we don't do anything when he gets home. So yeah, boring. But at least I get to see my dad every day, and that's a good thing. Yep. You know, I see him every day. We go at some places sometimes. It just depends how he's feeling and stuff. Yeah, my dad, he's a good dad. A really good dad. I love my dad so much. Very much. I love him very much. Yeah, I love him very much. And yes, I'm wearing a purple box. I'm wearing purple with different colors on my shirt. So yeah, I'm wearing purple. Even my dad's wearing purple today at work. So yeah, I'm matching what he's doing. I'm doing what he's doing, wearing purple. Yep. Today is a beautiful day, and I am don't see if I can try to get out. And yeah. Hey! Hey you! Hey! Hey you! You! Thank you for sitting, sorry. Thank you. You're a good doggy. Yes, you are, though. Sit. Thank you. Stay there. Stay there.